Hello, my name is Nehant Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 13 October 2021. So today topic is method of string. So let's start the method of the string. So first of all we will see the what is string. String is a basically an object which is represent the sequence of the character and that character array which is represent the string. So into the Java language string we have a different kind of methods. We are different kind of methods which is provided by the Java language. So let's start the all method. We will see the all method one by one. So first method is char add index into index. Into that index we are taking the string index number which is return the character which we want. For example, suppose we take one string welcome and we want e character, then we are passing the character index method which is char at index number of e, and then it's return the e character. So next method is a string replace. String replace into that old character and new character. For example, we are taking a one string welcome and we want to replace e by a. So we take the replace method and first we take the old character a and then we take the new character which is e. So string is replaced by a to the e and then it's return the string. Then another method is a string empty. Boolean is empty. It's return the boolean value which is true or false. Then another method is a boolean is blank. It's also return the true or false. It's return the true or false. Then next method is a string index of. It's return the index value of the character or the string. If we want the index number of the character, then we can pass that character which we want the index value. For example, we take the one string and that string is a welcome, and into that welcome we want the index number of w. Then we call the index method. It means that integer index of w. So it's return the character index number which is a 0. And same thing for the string index number. Into that we are taking the string and then it's return that string index number. It's also the integer index of string. Then another one is a to uppercase. It's return the character into the uppercase. For example, we are taking one string which is a Java into the lower case and we want to access it from the capital letter. So we are take the method of uppercase and it's convert the Java into the capital Java. Then another method is lowercase. It's same thing we are using for the lowercase which is used in the uppercase, but it's vice versa. We are taking the one capital letter string and it's convert into the lowercase by using the lowercase method. So another one is a string concat. It's written the concatenation of the two string. It means that it's combine the two string which we will take into the which we will take. Then for example, string 1 is a hello and string 2 is a welcome. Then it's concat the string 2 and string 2 concat the string 1. It's written the hello, welcome and hello. Then we are taking then next method is a string index of for the string. Then it's written the index number of the string which is starting which we want to the index number of the starting. Then another method is the string substring, which is return the substring, which we will give the index number. Then it's return the substring of the substring from the string. Then another method is a so these are the methods of the string, and again we will discuss about few methods, which is a string compare, which is comparing to the two string, which is return the boolean value, which is true or false. Then we will take another method, which is a boolean contain, which is also return the boolean value, which is true or false. Then string array split, which is return the splitting of the string using the rexing. Then so these are the type of the string. These are the methods of the string, and today topic is method of the string. So thank you.